Thank you.
Nice crisps, Si.
Yes. I did not know that was your fault.
That's James. They're nice crisps, James.
Yeah.
Nice crisp, James.
Yeah.
So that's James. So isn't it nice to relax on the train and eating some crisps?
Isn't it nice to relax on the train eating some crisps?
Yeah. Yeah.
James.
Oh.
Say, James, do you like
James.
these crisps?
Do you like these crisps?
Yeah.
The yellow crisps.
Yellow crisps.
Yeah.
Say, I'm sorry we've got no pasta today,
I'm
James.
sorry we've got no pasta today, James.
No.
Is James's water in Mummy's bags? No. Honey, is James's water in the bag?
Yeah.
You like this train, honey? So I put some more crisps down to share.
It's empty.
For the boys and girls to share.
It's empty.
We finished now. James's water.
Yeah.
Well done, James.
Mummy. Mummy.
Put it by Simone's bag on there.
There you go. There you go.
What are you watching, Simone?
YouTube.
You watching YouTube? Are you playing? You playing Roblox?
Yes.
Lovely. Is it working with my sharing?
Yeah.
Working better than your own 4G side?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh dear. Got on my leg.
You ate all the crisps, boys and girls.
Kind of meh. Kind of meh.
Simone, say to James, say, "Oh, get a tissue,
I'll get a
James."
tissue, James. Says I ate most of the crisps. Mommy.
And this as well.
Yeah.
Oh.
Simone, if I give you a tissue, will you help James? Oh, I've got no tissues left, sorry. Oh, Nick, can I have a tissue, please?
And this you. Oh no. Got on my leg.
But I keep on mistaking your foot as my shoe.
Do you like this train, Simone? Nice. Let me go.
All
Yeah,
gone.
give me one piece. Well done, James. Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Mummy's got something. And give that one back to you.
What do you want a tissue?
Thank you. I need one in my pocket just in case
Hey,
of an emergency.
James, what do it, James?
Thank you.
What is the emergency?
Maybe I sneeze,
That is not an emergency.
or maybe I need
See
to.
that, mate?
Maybe I cough and something comes out.
Toilet.
You like the strawberry water, Simone?
Oh dear.
I'm still hungry though.
Your pie is in the bag.
Okay.
You got chicken and mushroom pie in the bag, Simone.
Isn't that yours?
Oh, it's yours.
The chicken and mushroom?
Yes. Or do you want
I'd
the
like
other
to
one?
eat some potatoes.
You have that one then. You can choose which one you want.
Chicken and mushroom.
Take it.
I don't know which one's which though.
There's a bite out of the chicken and mushrooms. Got a bite out of it.
I fell out my coat.
James, let Daddy help you.
Oh. Thank you, Daddy.
My pleasure, James.
No problem.
Thank you very much for coming on holiday with us, James.
Yes.
So James, next holiday in 20 weeks. Is that all right, James?
Yeah.
One more sleepover at Daddy's house in 2 sleeps, James.
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
We get the purple and orange train in the morning. Is that all right, James?
Yeah. Oh.
James, your bus pass is back in your bag, James.
Yeah. Oh.
What can you see, James?
Oh. Oh.
That one got a bite out of it, Simone, yeah? That's the chicken and mushroom.